Enjoy the moment, always smile. Life is only a year